how to make a sound on a brass instrument. Okay, what you want to do is you want to lick your lips and say M. And there's a space between my teeth that you can't see. M, you know, not, my mouth isn't wide open, but just a little space. Okay, so you lick your lips and say M and keep everything flat. And then you make sort of like a farting sound, but not really, like. Okay, and the biggest mistake that a lot of kids make is they see that this is a round hole and they want to fill the space with their lips, or they're like, oh, I love my trumpet so much, so they'll poop back, make like fish lips and go. So if your lips aren't flat, if you put your lips into the thing, like, it won't sound like an instrument. It'll just sound. So keep them nice and flat. Same with the baritone and trombones. Nice and flat. Don't. Okay. Okay. So that's getting started on a brass instrument. Don't kiss your instrument as much as you love it. No kissing. Just nice flat lips. Say M. Okay? So practice that in front of a mirror. Don't do puffy cheeks. And I'll see you next week.